What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. This is the a 256GB model. So let's get into the unboxing experience. So we have the Pacific Blue here. I'm very excited for this phone. Very, very excited. I'm upgrading from the iPhone XR. So there it is for reference. And there it is. The iPhone 12 Pro. Let's get that peel action there. Yeah. Alright, so here's the phone, guys. I will come back to you when I put my screen protector on and set it up. So you can see here, here I put my screen protector on. So let's see, I want to do English, United States. So we're gonna do the quick start. So I'm gonna, you can see I hit this, unlock my old phone, and then I want to hit continue here, and then you just so there you go. It's setting up the new iPhone here. So while that does that, here's what you get in the packaging. You get, of course, the quick start guide, which this year only comes with one Apple sticker. And then I got my SIM card tool, which I'm gonna need soon. And then the lightning cable, no brick this year. But we do, of course, have the 20-watt adapter for that. And then here I have a MagSafe case. So let's while the phone is setting up, let's go through the unboxing of the case, which is just pretty simple. You get some paperwork, and then of course the case. So that's the case there. And then you get your charging brick, which you can see here. Got the 20-watt brick for the charging. I'll come back in a minute. I got it inside. So after using the phone for a while, I really like the phone. The iPhone 5 design being back, I really do like that. See, I got the triple cameras here, and I don't have my MagSafe charger yet, but you can see this is where the MagSafe charger will go. But I don't have that yet. They're pretty back-ordered on those. But you can see it kind of just has this, I'm covering it up with this case, but the sides are this nice stainless steel finish, and then the back is frosted matte glass, which you can't really tell with the case on here. And I'm not going to take the case off again, but it still looks really good, even with this case and with my fingerprints on it. But this is for the MagSafe, which you've probably seen already. But this is where the magnets are. And personally, I would have liked to seen, obviously they can't make clear magnets. But I would have liked to seen this, not as apparent on the back of here. And I guess if you go with the white iPhone 12 or the silver 12 Pro, you won't have that problem because this will match. But I think what they could have done, they could still, so for every iPhone model, right? Like say you got this color, you got the Pacific Blue, this would be blue. So at least it would blend in a little. But like I said, it still looks pretty good. So, I'll throw up a few pictures I took comparing the camera with my iPhone XR now, and you can see how good the cameras look. The cameras are really good. I mean, they're what you would expect from an iPhone. And then this is like the background on here. And I personally like iOS. I do have an Android phone. It's not a very new Android phone, but I do have a Galaxy S8. And I like that phone, but this is really very good phone, I think. Let's see some of the other features is it does have it has a wide lens, the ultra wide, and then the telephoto lens as well. And of course wireless charging, and then the MagSafe charging. So this was my first impressions of the iPhone 12. I would have liked to seen 120 hertz happen actually, But other than that, the phone's really good. I don't have 5G immediately where I am, but 5G should be coming soon. And then of course, you got 5G. It's not too far off. There are 5Gs. There are places where you can get 5G nearby, but not directly where I am. But the screen looks really good, I think. It is an upgrade from the iPhone XR. That was one of the worst points of the iPhone XR, is that it was only a 720p display, and this is... It's not 4K, but I think it is definitely a higher resolution. And honestly, at this size, you can't make out pixels. You couldn't make out pixels on the iPhone XR, but this is also an OLED screen, so it just looks better. But even the iPhone XR had a decent enough screen for a 6.1-inch phone. And speaking of coming from the iPhone XR, because of this design, the phone doesn't curve as much, so it's a little smaller, really. Although this is still a 6.1-inch display like the iPhone XR. But yeah, so I think this phone's really good. I think they're going to sell a lot. They always sell a lot of iPhones. But, yeah, that was a plug for my Instagram. Go follow my Instagram at Ryan4Gaming. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys all later. Goodbye!